ThriveCart Slack. We're going to show you how to send over information from ThriveCart to your Slack channel. And to do that, we're going to need to set up a Slack webhook and channel. We'll also need to create a webhook script on your server. And then we'll set up a ThriveCart webhook and then finally test. So let's go ahead and dive right in. So first thing to do is you're going to actually have to log into your Slack account from here to set up a webhook. So let's look for Slack incoming webhooks. And I'm going to go here. Doesn't matter how you get there as long as you log in. So I'm going to go ahead and click on incoming webhook integration. That's what I want to do. I'm already logged in. And right now it's saying, where do you want to post this to? And I haven't created any channel. So I'm going to go ahead and create a channel right here called ThriveCart. And I'm going to go ahead and do that. I could make it private, but I'm just going to leave it as is. And then we want to go ahead and add incoming webhook. So the important part is simply this right here. We want to copy this webhook URL and save it for what we're going to do next. So next thing to do is create a script on your server, and you can copy this and make modifications. I'm going to put it in a subdirectory called API, and it's going to be a file called index.php. I want to paste in that URL I just copied into here. And then I want to provide a secret key. This is kind of a safety feature. I don't want anyone trying to visit this URL and posting information. So I'm just going to put something random like that. For now, I want to allow test transactions. You probably want to put this to no. And I also want to put it debug so it error logs information. Not a requirement, but if there's any issues, it's useful. I'm actually going to turn it off, but I definitely want to do this set to yes for now. So next thing to do is go into ThriveCart and set up a webhook. So I need to know my secret key. I need to know the directory or the location, and I'll show you what's next. So go into your ThriveCart account. You're going to want to go to Settings, API and Webhooks, Webhook and Notifications, and you want to add another webhook or create the first one. I'm going to call it Slack. And I want to go visit the URL just to make sure it doesn't go www. And right there. So there, and I also want to append my secret key, secret equals. I'm going to go back to the script. I want to copy that secret key now back to the browser. Now, nothing should show up there. So let's go back to ThriveCart and paste that link in there. And I'm going to go ahead and click on Save this webhook. Okay. Let's go take a look at Slack. So there's my ThriveCart channel. I'm going to go ahead and make a test purchase, and I should have some information show up here shortly. So let's go get a product, and it's going to be in test mode. So we're going to go ahead and make a test purchase. And I just heard the ding from Slack. And there we go. We've got a new message that shows what happened and all the details of the customer, the amount of money they spent, everything. So that's how you can connect ThriveCart with Slack.